morning students. Today we start our new chapter number 11 in your book. Chapter number 11 is multiplication. Multiplication as repeated subtraction. So my practice 1 is, how many boards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many boards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in our book, question number A is, there are dash groups. So how many groups are there? This is 1 and this is 2. So how many groups are there? 2 groups. Each group has dashboards. Each group has dashboards means how many boards in one group? 1, 2, 1, 2. So each group has 2 boards. Now question number C, there are dashboards all together. There are dashboards all together. So 2, 1, 2 boards in one group. So 2 plus 1, 2. 2 board in second group. So 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 boards all together. Okay? In our MPT 1, this is based on repeated addition, multiplication as repeated addition. Okay? So question number 1 is, there are dash group. In question number A, we have to write how many groups are there? 1, 2. So how many groups are there? 1, 2. So write here 2. Now question B, each group has dashboards. So how many boards in each group? 1, 2. How many? 1, 2. So each group has 2 boards. Now next question, there are dashboards all together. So how many boards are there all together? Count. 1, 2. 2 board in one group plus 2. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So there are 2 plus 2, 4 boards all together. Okay? Now next, how many buses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 buses are there. So our first question, question number A is, there are dash groups. So how many groups are there? 1, 2. So there are 2 groups. Now each group has dash buses. So each group means how many buses in one group? 1, 2, 3. 3 buses in first group and 3 buses in second group. So each group has 3 buses. Now last, there are dash buses all together. Total number of buses: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First we write first group, how many buses in first group? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Again 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. So there are 6 buses altogether. In question number 1, there are how many groups? 1, 2. So there are 2 groups. Now next question, each group has dashboards. So each group has 2 boards. Now next is there are dashboards altogether. So 2 plus 2 equals to 4 means there are 4 boards altogether. Okay. Now next question number 2. There are dash groups. So how many groups are there? 1, 2. So there are 2 groups. Now next question is, each group has dash buses. So how many buses each group has dash buses. So how many buses in one group? 1, 2, 3. So each group has 3 buses. Now next, there are dash buses altogether. So how many buses are there all together? So we have to write total number of buses. So 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Okay, write down this in your book. And question number 3, solve in your book. Okay. Now, next MPT 2 my practice time 2 is also based on repeated addition. Okay. So, in our my practice time 2, question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our question is dash groups of dash ladybugs each. Dash groups means first we write in first blank we have to write how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many groups are there? 4 of dash ladybugs. So how many ladybugs in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each group has 4 ladybugs. Okay. Now repeated addition. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to blank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 plus 4 equals to 16 ladybugs. Now next, blank times blank equals to blank. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 equals to 16. Now 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. So this is a multiplication as repeated addition. In first blank we have to write how many groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of how many ladybug in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 groups of 4 ladybugs each. Now in second row, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 16 ladybugs. So we write here 4 times 4 equals to 16. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Okay? Write down this in your book. Now, next question B. Question B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in each group, how many ants are there? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? First blank is blank groups of blank. In first blank we write how many groups are there. Number of group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 groups of blank ants. So how many ants in each group? We write here how many ants in each group. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So 5 groups of 2 ants each. 5 groups of 2 ants each. Okay? Now, in repeated addition, we write 1, 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 ants. Okay? Now in last blank we write total number of ants. 1, 2, so write here 2. 1, 2, 2, 2, then 2, then 2. Now let's write total number of ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 10. Okay? Blank times blank equals to blank ants. Means 5 times 2 equals to 10. So 5 2 is 10. Okay, 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Write down this in your book in neat and clean writing. Now in chapter number 11, next topic is skip counting. Okay, in your book, page number 148, skip counting. Now in skip counting, first is skip count by 2's. Okay, counting forward or backward by a number other than 1 is called as skip counting. Okay, counting forward or backward by a number other than 1 is called skip counting. In your book, page number 148, skip count by 2's. This is in your book. You have to color every second number. In skip count by 2, you colored every second number. Means 1, 2. So color this. Then 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. There is number starting from 1 to 20. So starting with 2, every second number is colored. Start with 2. Now 1, 2. The next number is 4. Then 1, 2. Next is 6. 1, 2. After 6, next number is 8. 1, 2. Next number is 10. Then 1, 2. Next number is 12. 1, 2. Next number is 14. 1, 2. After 14, next number is 16. 1, 2. After 16, next number is 18. 1, 2. 20. After 18, next number is 20. Now, color this number. Now, write down the numbers that have been colored up to 20. So, first number is 2. After 2, 4. After 4, 6. Then 8. Then 10. Then 12. Then 14. Then 16. Then 18. And next is 20. Okay. So color these numbers in grade. Okay. This is called skip counting by 2's. Skip counting means 2's means skipping one number at a time. Skipping one number at a time means 2. Then 1, 2. Next is 4. 1, 2. Then next 6. 1, 2. Next is 8. 1, 2. Next number is 10. 1, 2. Next is 12. 1, 2. Next number is 14. 1, 2. Next 16. 1, 2. 18. Then 20. Okay. In next we have to write the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay. This is skip count by 2. Okay. Write down this in your book and color these numbers in your book. Now, next is skip count by 5. Given below is a grid with number 1 to 50. There is a grid with number 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So there is a grid with number 1 to 50. So skip count by 5 means skip counting in 5 means skipping 4 number at 5. 4 number at a time. Skip counting by 5 means skip 4 numbers at a time. Okay. So we start from 5. First, you take the number, then color it. So first is, you take the number. So first is 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is skip count by 5. Skip count 5 means skipping 4 numbers at a time. Skipping 4 numbers at a time means 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now write the numbers that have Now next we have to write the numbers that having colors. First 5, then next 10, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next number is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 25. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 30. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 40. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in a skip count by 5, our number is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay? Write this number in your book, page number 148, and multiplication means repeated addition of a number. First we identify the group of the same number, then repeated addition of many groups is multiplication. Okay? First in multiplication, first we identify group of the same numbers. Group of the same number means each group has same number. Then repeated addition of many groups is multiplication. Okay? So write down this number in your book. Now, after complete your chapter 11, I'll explain you multiplication of one digit number with one digit number. Okay? So let's multiply. Write down this in your notebook. So how to multiply? 2 multiply by 2. So first we have to learn the tables 2 to 10, then multiply. Let's read the table of 2. 2 times 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Means 2 times 2 equals to 4. 2 times 2 equals to 4. 4 multiply by 3. So let's read the table of 4 till 3. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So 4 times 3 equals to 12. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 times 4 is 4. As usual, let's read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. Now next, 5 multiply by 2. 5 multiply by 2. So let's read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Okay? Now next, 4 multiply by 2. So let's read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Now 3 multiplied by 3. So let's read the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay? 9 multiplied by 2. So let's read the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Okay? So write down this in your notebook. Okay? 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Means 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. Next, 3 multiplied by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. Next, 5 multiplied by 2. So let's read the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay? Now 4 multiplied by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Means 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. Next, 2 multiplied by 9. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Means 2 multiplied by 9 equals to 18. Okay? So in multiply, we have to read the tables. 2 multiplied by 2. So answer is 4. 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 12. 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. 2 multiplied by 9 equals to 18. Okay? Write down this in your notebook in neat and clean writing. In your notebook, first you mention chapter 11 multiplication, then write multiplication, then write down this in your notebook and in neat and clean writing, and in your book MPT 1, MPT 2, rest all the question solve in your book. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.